So cylinder number 8 had a misfire on our truck, so we ended up installing new spark plug wires, and we got new spark plugs for it. We got the 2 coil packs, and we got both of the evap canisters all replaced, and $800 later, the truck runs like new again. So yeah, let's hope it stays that way. The reason we knew something was wrong is because every time that we sat like at a red light, or like at a stop sign, for example, the truck would like to really vibrate and it would idle super low. And then one random day, the check engine light came on. So I whipped out the code scanner and it told me that cylinder A had a misfire on it. So we did take it to a good mechanic. They're good at what they do. And they replaced what I mentioned, and now the truck runs like really good again.